Good morning, children. Today we'll do lesson number 3 of a literature book. It's a poem, "O Captain, My Captain" by Walt Whitman. Now, first of all, children, we'll study what the poem is about. Now, the poem is about the captain. Captain means the president of 16th president of America, that is Abraham Lincoln, and now he is dead. Now, Whitman is showing the grief and sadness as Abraham Lincoln is dead. Now, here in this poem, the ship, you can see the ship. The ship is considered as a people of America, and the captain is the Abraham Lincoln. Now, the Abraham Lincoln has gone to fight civil war against the southern states where Negroes were not having the freedom. He wanted to remove slavery. He wanted to remove this exploitation. So, he has gone along with his people, along with his army, to fight against this discrimination, and finally they have won the war. And after war, they are returning back to America after winning the war. But here they are very sad. People are sad. Why? Because they are in the ship and the captain, that is Abraham Lincoln, is dead. So let us start the first stanza. O Captain, my Captain, our fearful trip is done. The ship has withered every rag, the prize we sought is won. The port is near, the bells I hear, the people all exulting, while follow eyes the steady keel, the vessel grim and daring. But O heart, 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 O the bleeding drops of red, where on the deck my captain lies, fallen cold and dead. Now, in this stanza, Whitman is saying that, O Captain, he is addressing Abraham Lincoln as captain. So, he is saying that the trip was not enjoyable as they had gone to fight a war. It was a fearful trip, but the ship has faced each and every problem, and finally they have, the purpose for which they have gone is finally they have won the fight. Now, the ship is about to reach the ship. The port is near, the bells I hear, means the ship is about to reach America, and he could see the people, he could see the happiness of the people who are standing at the port. They are ringing the bells just to welcome their captain, to welcome their president. But the vessel grim and while follow eyes the steady keel, means people, he could see the eyes who are looking at the ship and they are waiting for their captain. But the vessel here means the ship has become slow, and all the people are waiting for Abraham to welcome him, but the ship is moving very slowly. And he is saying that the people who are on the ship, they are serious because they know that the captain is lying dead, fallen cold. He's lying on the deck, he's cold and dead. Second stanza. O Captain, my Captain, rise up and hear the bells. Rise up, for you the flag is flung, for you the bugle trills. For you bouquets and ribbons wreath, for you the shores are crowding. For you they call, the swaying mass, the eager faces turning. Her Captain, dear father, this arm beneath your head, it is some dream that on the deck you have fallen cold and dead. Now he is addressing this President of India as captain, as his father, and saying, get up. He is calling again that rise up, hear the bells, here see the people, see your flag. See the flag, your flag is being hoisted. See, here the bugle. Bugle is a instrument, musical instrument. So he is asking to hear the noise of the bugle, to sound of the bugle. He is saying that just for you, the people have brought bouquets. They have decorated the garlands with the ribbons. People are crowding near the shores. They are calling you. They are huge in number, and they are with eager faces. They are calling you. They are waiting for you. Get up. He's calling the captain as the father of nation. He's saying, get up. So he's saying, although my arm is beneath your head, but it seems a dream that you are dead. मेरा हाथ तुम्हारे सिर के नीचे, but फिर भी मैं विश्वास नहीं कर रहा. It's just a dream that you are not alive, you are just dead. Third stanza. My captain does not answer, his lips are pale and still. My father does not feel my arm, he has no pulse or nor will. The ship is anchored safe and sound, its voyage closed and done. From fearful trip the victor ship comes in with object won. Exulto shows or ringo bells, but I with mournful tread walk the deck, my captain lies fallen cold and dead. Stanza 3 says that who's saying? Whitman is saying that my captain is dead, and he's still. He's not still means he's not moving. Lips are pale and still means the lips are not moving, means he is dead. My father is not. My arm is kept under his head, but he cannot feel my arm. He has no pulse, he has no will. The ship is anchored safe and sound, means the voyage is completed and the ship is going to land at the shore. Its voyage is over. The journey of the ship is complete. And from the fearful trip, means for the fight for which we have gone there, we have won, we have victory. The fearful ship has turned to victory ship, and what was the object? To fight the war and to win. So the object is won. Exulto shows the ringo bells. He is saying that people the people who are at the show, they are so happy, they are celebrating, and they are ringing the bells. But I with mournful treen, but I means because I know that my captain is dead. My heart is so heavy. My heart is so heavy, I'm so feeling so bad, so sad, that with slow steps I walk the deck my captain lies. I'm walking to the place where my captain's body is lying cold and dead. So this is the complete meaning. Just go through the video, and these are some new words which you come across the poem. Just go through the new words. Till then, have a nice day.